अस्सलाम-ओ-अलैकुम प्रेमी एक्सपोर्ट चैनल में खुश आमदीद। उम्मीद है सब खैर खैरियत से होंगे। अगर आप फर्स्ट टाइम मेरे चैनल देख रहे हो तो काइंडली चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें ताकि ऐसे इंफॉर्मेटिव वीडियो आप तक बर वक्त पहुँचती रहे। लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। क्वेश्चन नंबर 61। All India Muslim League passed a historic law resolution in its 27th annual session held in Lahore on. Answer is 23rd March 1940. Question number 62. The Lahore session of Muslim League held in 1940 was presided over by. Answer is Qaid Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Question number 36. On 23rd March 1940, the Lahore resolution was candidated by. Answer is Khaliqur Zaman. Question number 65. At its annual session in Lahore, the Muslim League adopted the idea of partition as its final goal in the year of. Answer is 1940. Question number 66. The famous August offer was made in August by the British. Answer is Viceroy Lord Lithgow. Question number 67. The August offer offered the Indian. Answer is establishment of a World Adversary Council. Question number 68. The 3rd June 1947 plan was announced by. Answer is Lord Mountbatten. Question number 69. In March 1947, Lord Buell was replaced by the new British Viceroy in India named. Answer is Lord Mountbatten. Question number 70. The 3rd June plan partitioned the subcontinent into. Answer is 2 states. Question number 71. According to 3rd June plan, the British rule in India was to end. Answer is 14th August 1947. Question number 72. The Shahi Jargah was to decide in the favor of India or Pakistan in. Answer is Balochistan. Question number 73. The member of Shahi Jargah and municipality of Quetta decided in 1947. Answer is to join Pakistan. Question number 74. In Punjab and Bengal, Ritkel gave an unjust award. He unjustly included in India the Punjab Tehsil of. Answer is Gurdaspur, Pathankot and Batala. Question number 75. On 14 August 1947, Pakistan emerged on the map of the world as an independent state as a result of. Answer is Indian Independence Act 1947. Question number 76. Qaid Azam was sworn in. He is the first Governor General of Pakistan on. Answer is 15th August 1947. Question number 77. The first PM of Pakistan was. Answer is Liaquat Ali Khan. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.